Welcome to McLean Hall. My name is Marina. I am a communication student, member of the Showgirls dance team, and an intern at the Public Relations Office here in McLean. Half of the building holds administrative offices. The downstairs is home to financial aid, the registrar, student accounts, payroll, basically the offices of campus that aim to make the university engine run smooth. Upstairs is PR, where I work, alumni relations, the graduate office, the president's office, and a few others. Truman's current president, Dr. Susan L. Thomas, was appointed in 2017. McLean Hall is named after another influential president of Truman, Dr. Charles McLean. He oversaw the transition of Truman's mission to a statewide public liberal arts and sciences university, and his legacy is still vibrant on campus today. The other half of the building is academic, with classrooms and faculty offices. McLean is home to many of the economics, religion, philosophy, political science, language, and linguistics classes in those professors' offices. Whether it is meeting with financial aid to review your aid package or attending a logic course, many of the students find a reason to come through McLean Hall.